Hey, my beautiful people. Welcome back to SoulSync. It's Dovey here, and today we're diving into something so fun: how to give a guy butterflies in the most innocent way possible. No games, no weird tactics, just pure, natural charm that leaves him thinking about you all day long. If you want to have that sweet effect on him without even trying too hard, keep watching because I have 6 effortless ways to make his heart race. Let's get into it. 1. Hold eye contact. Just a little longer than usual. Eye contact is so powerful, and most people don't even realize it. When you're talking to him, hold eye contact for just 1 or 2 seconds longer than normal before looking away. It creates this small but electric moment that sticks in his mind. If you add a little smile before looking down or to the side, oh, he's feeling something. This move is subtle, but trust me, he'll remember it, and it'll make him feel a connection with you without you even saying a word. 2. Gently fix something on him, but make it casual. If his hoodie string is uneven, his collar is folded, or there's a little lint on his shirt, fix it for him, naturally and casually. It's such an innocent but unexpectedly intimate moment that catches him off guard in the best way. When you do it without hesitation, it makes him hyper-aware of your touch, and that little interaction will replay in his head way longer than you think. 3. Say his name in the middle of a sentence. This is one of those things that feels small but has a huge effect. Instead of just talking to him like you would anyone else, sprinkle his name into the conversation naturally. Like, "That's actually so funny, his name. I never thought about it like that." Or, "Oh, please, his name. You totally knew what you were doing." Hearing his name makes it feel more personal, more intimate, and he'll automatically associate you with that warm, excited feeling. And if you say it with a softer tone, oh yeah, he's getting butterflies for sure. 4. Playfully tease him in a sweet way. Light teasing is the ultimate low-key flirty move that instantly creates chemistry. If he says something funny, give him a soft nudge and be like, "Oh wow, you think you're so smooth, don't you?" Or, if he's showing off a little, just smirk and say, okay, I'll give you that one." The key is to keep it light, fun, and flirty, not mean. Guys love a girl who can joke around and make things exciting. It makes the conversation fun, keeps him on his toes, and leaves him wanting more of your energy. 5. Laugh at his jokes like he's the funniest person ever. Even if he's not actually the funniest guy in the world, when you laugh at his jokes, it boosts his confidence like crazy. Guys love feeling like they can make a girl smile, and when you give him a real unfiltered laugh, oh, it does something to him. But don't force it. Keep it natural. If you're genuinely laughing at something he said and you add a little touch on his arm or lean in while laughing, game over. He's getting butterflies. 6. Show up looking effortlessly beautiful. You don't need a full glam look. Guys love when a girl looks cute in an effortless way. Soft, glowing skin, a comfy but cute outfit, maybe a hint of a really good smelling perfume. These things stick with him. If you're rocking an oversized hoodie looking cozy but still glowing, or if your hair is slightly messy in that perfect way, he's done for. When you're comfortable in your own skin, he will feel extra drawn to you, and that's what gives him those unexpected butterflies. The best part? These things don't require any effort beyond just being your natural, radiant self. It's not about making a guy obsessed. It's about creating moments that feel special and memorable. So, next time you're around your crush, try out a few of these tricks and see what happens. I promise, you'll start noticing those little moments where he looks at you just a bit differently. And that's it for today's video, my beautiful people. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to SoulSync for more content like this. And let me know in the comments, what's one thing a guy has done that gave you butterflies? I'd love to hear it. Until next time, stay glowing and keep spreading that magic.